Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion FL Studio. First, set up a dedicated Notion workspace for all your music production needs. Begin by creating a central database to manage every FL Studio song you are working on. This database should include essential properties such as project status, musical genre, and direct links to your FL Studio project files. This initial setup ensures all your creative work is organized and easily accessible from one central hub. Managing your music projects effectively is crucial for productivity. Notion allows you to track each FL Studio project's progress, from initial idea to final mixdown. Utilize custom views to filter your projects by their current status, such as in progress or completed, or by genre. You can also attach important files like stems, samples, or reference tracks directly within each project entry. This provides a comprehensive and organized overview of all your musical endeavors. Beyond project management, Notion excels at capturing individual tasks and fleeting creative ideas. Within each project, you can create detailed subtasks for mixing, mastering, or specific sound design elements. When inspiration strikes, quickly jot down melodic ideas, drum patterns, or sample concepts. Link these specific tasks and ideas directly to their relevant FL Studio projects. This ensures you never lose a valuable creative thought or miss an important production step. To further enhance your music production workflow, consider developing custom templates for new FL Studio projects within Notion. This saves time and ensures consistency. You can also integrate a dedicated sample library database, making it simple to find and link your favorite sounds. Utilize linked databases to connect your captured ideas directly with ongoing projects. These advanced techniques help streamline your entire music production process, making it more efficient and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.